in Mindscreen Film Institute, இவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் F number focal length தான் கற்றுக் கொடுத்தாங்க. பட் இவங்கெல்லாம் சூப்பர் நடிகர்கள்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க இல்லை? So at this rate, National Award for Acting உனக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கா. Congratulations, fantastic. Well done Mahanandan, well done Lakshman, well done Venkatesh, well done Shankar. This is the most happy thing for a teacher, you know, to see successful students out here. And we just thought that for a conventional announcement in Lamba, we'll do a small skit. And I thank all of you for this acting experience, because we just don't have actors. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So welcome to a small press meet for announcing our acting course. And you know, training and creating a syllabus for cinematography is something easy. That's something we know. It's an applied science. There's no maybe in cinematography. It is this or that. It becomes a little more difficult when it becomes direction, because there's a lot of maybes. But when it comes to acting, it is maybe. There's no hard and fast rule here. So in order for us, when we came up with this idea, we had so many students saying that, when are you starting the acting course? When are you starting the acting course? And some of our students who passed out were saying, sir, please, why don't you start the acting course? So I ended up calling my dean over, my dean, Mr. Nyanshekhar sir, and my principal, Mr. Sridhar sir. And we were brainstorming and deciding to start the acting course. Nyanshekhar sir was skeptical. Why are you getting into all this, man? It is like a dangerous field. So Sridhar sir was saying, he's been the principal of the Adyar Film Institute. So he said, no, you can manage. So we were on the lookout for how do we go about this. So we met some friends who are the mentors of this course. And we actually discussed with them how to create this perfect syllabus for film acting. So there are a lot of syllabi for acting which is specific to theatre, but how do you adapt that to film? So what we thought is we should look around and get some good teachers. So we first zeroed down onto Devendranath Shankar Narayan. He's from the University of Warwick, and he studied theatre and performing. And then we zeroed down onto Bala and Janaki. These come both from the National School of Drama. And while they all have academic backgrounds in theatre, I thought you must have some folk energy, the energy from the soil. So I thought nobody better than Parani to, he's from the original Telugu families, and we are very happy to have him here to get some rustic energy. And then we thought they must have nimble bodies, and they should have the aggression of Kalakadari and the flexibility and calmness of yoga. So we've called him Ganapati. So we got a wide-ranging faculty here to, teach our students various aspects of acting, and we really value each one of our teachers here, and we hope we'll be able to pull off a fantastic course. And to guide this whole process, we thought we need to really look at people who can mentor the process. So what do? I went to the film school and I studied there. So I looked at two of my friends from the film school. So when we were students at the institute, we had a couple of actors, Nazar, Talaivaasal Vijay, Archana. They're all our classmates. We studied together. So we ended up calling them and saying, what do we do about the acting syllabus? So we roped in as mentors Mr. Talaivaasal Vijay and Archana. But I could never forget the man who gave me my first break in cinematography, Mr. Pratap Potan, the hero from Nejjade Kilade, who all the women were drooling for, considered one of the most handsome men in India, and then who went on to making ad films and then directed a lot of feature films, and now has come back to acting. So knowledge in front of the camera and behind the camera. Welcome our mentors. Please come on stage. So could you say a few words about helping out Mindscreen and in this acting course.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். முதல்ல நான் ரொம்ப கங்க்ராச்சுலேட் பண்ண விரும்புகிறேன் ராஜீவ் மேனனுக்கு. இந்த மைண்ட் ஸ்க்ரீனுடைய ஃபவுண்டர் அவர். நாங்கள் 2 பேரும் ஃபில்ம் இன்ஸ்டியூட்டில் ஒன்றா படிச்சிருக்கோம். ஆனால் 2-3 தடவை தான் நாங்கள் பேசிக்கிட்டோம். இஸ் அ மேன் ஆஃப் டிசிப்ளின், டிக்னிட்டி அண்ட் டேலண்ட். நான் ரொம்ப லோ ப்ரொஃபைல் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணிப்பேன், எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும் இது. இருந்தாலும் ராஜீவ் மேனனுடைய ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்கும் அவருடைய டெடிக்கேஷனும் தான் என்னை இங்கே அழைச்சிருக்கு. என்னை அவர் கூப்பிட்டு, அந்தா நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ண முடியும், இந்த மைண்ட் ஸ்க்ரீன் இன்ஸ்டியூட்க்கு ஆக்டிங் கோர்ஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னதுமே எனக்கு ரொம்ப டச்சிங்காகவும் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாகவும் இருந்தது. ஏன்னா எங்களுக்கு கோயிலாக நினச்சிக்கிட்டு இருந்த அடையார் ஃபிலிம் இன்ஸ்டியூட்டில் ஆக்டிங் கோர்ஸ் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. எனக்கும் ராஜீவ் மேனனுக்கும் விஜய்க்கும் நாசருக்கும் எங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே ஒரு பெரிய வருத்தத்தை கொடுத்துருக்கு. ஆனால் அதை திரும்ப காம்பன்சேட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி ராஜீவ் இந்த ஆக்டிங் கோர்ஸை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறது எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தது. டெஃபினட்டாக வந்துட்டு தெரிஞ்சு நடிக்கிறதுக்கும் தெரியாமல் நடிக்கிறதுக்கும் எவ்வளவோ வித்தியாசம் இருக்குது. கண்டிப்பாக இது ரொம்ப ஒரு பர்பஸ்ஃபுல்லான ஒரு விஷயத்தை தான் அவர் ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்காரு. நான் இதுக்கு ஒரு 6 சப்ஜெக்ட் நான் உங்களுக்கு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு நான் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்குறேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னேன். எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சது ஏதாவது கொஞ்சம் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்கறதுல எந்த தப்பும் இல்லை. திஸ் இஸ் அன் ஓஷன். எல்லாமே கற்றுக்க முடியாது. ஆனால் ஏதாவது தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு வர்றதுங்கிறது ரொம்ப அவசியமான ஒரு விஷயம். இப்போ உதாரணத்துக்கு சினிமாட்டோகிராஃபர்ஸ் எல்லாருமே நடிச்சிருக்காங்க. எங்களுக்கும் கொஞ்சம் ஸ்பேஸ் கொடுங்கப்பா. அதுவும் இல்லாமல் இன்ஸ்பெக்டருக்கு வந்துட்டு, போலீஸ் இன்ஸ்பெக்டருக்கு வந்துட்டு அவர் பக்கத்துலேயே வந்து அவருடைய போலீஸ் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்லேயே ஒருத்தர் டச்சப் கொடுக்கறது இன்னும் ரொம்ப அற்புதமாக இருக்குது. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமான விஷயம். I'm going to be there with Rajiv and others to start with this. And once again, I wish you all the best, Rajiv, to you and to your crew. Good luck to all the students. All the best to you.
I met Rajiv a couple of months, about 6 months ago, and I said, what we need really is actors. And he said, yeah, he's starting a course. And I sounded very interested in that because I know Rajiv can't sit still for 1 minute. He has to keep working, he has to keep doing something or the other. And talks about his immense talent also. Today what we saw over here was a funny sketch. Only people who are actors will understand that, missing the mark and, the number of people, the paranoia that happens on the set. And while trying to keep in character, while trying to deliver your lines. Most people come to acting thinking they're going to become stars. They want to buy a Mercedes-Benz or they want to have 2 houses. That's not what acting is about. Acting is about dedication. Acting is about studying. It's a hell of a lot more than what you think it is. You think it's easy to come in front of a camera and act? No, it isn't. And very few, some of the non-actors make it, but that is only pure luck. Luck plays a hell of a role in this. But to have an actor, he needs to study acting. He needs to be an actor. And to be a film actor is more difficult because it is all split up in many things and still remaining in character. And as I would like to say that, as Stanislavski said, there are no small roles, there are only small actors. So everyone should be trained and everyone should be totally dedicated to their craft. And the craft, these are pure actors. I've known plenty of pure actors who don't compromise, who give it their all. They do it so well that it's almost seamless when you see it. And Rajiv, congratulations, and may this go from strength to strength. That I know it will because you're a damn smart guy.
Congrats included in it. And not to forget that what I am today, it's because of this gentleman, Rajiv Menon, who is standing here. ஏன்னா இன்ஸ்டியூட்டில் படிக்கும் பொழுது என்னை வந்து சந்திரலேகான்னு ஒரு குரூப்பில் கொண்டு போய் சேர்த்து, த லேடி ஹூ வாஸ் ஒர்க்கிங் வித் பாடி. அதுக்கப்புறம் மலையாளத்தில் வந்து நாராயணகுரு பண்ணுறதுக்கு காரணமாக ராஜீவ் மேனன்ஸ் ஏஷியன் பெயிண்ட்ஸ் ஆட் வாஸ் தேர். So I am jealous of Raju because always I look upon to him as a person as far as knowledge is concerned. So around 52 years, and I think a right time at the right place. And I'm really happy seeing Sir and Parni Kuthupatel, Naan and Azalang, it's nice to see everyone here, Bala and Janaki, and definitely I'll share my experience, and I'm really lucky to have this platform to show what I have or what I've experienced. So good luck, and students, I think you are at the right time at the right place, and things can't go wrong with Rajiv Menon. This is my experience.
Thanks for all talent. We're looking for great actors, great talent which we can shape, and we want people who have skill, who will get through the audition. We're not just filling seats here. We really want to make sure that in the years to come, some of our students are going to be really being a dominant force in the industry. Thank you for coming. Enjoy the lunch.